How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be working on fixing tire pressure monitoring system in my car. I've got a blinking light on the dashboard, and I'm going to show you my favorite way to do this. I've scanned the sensors with my tool, and as you can see, 2 of them are dead and 1 of them has really low battery and about to die as well. Obviously, while you're at it, you want to replace all 4 sensors so you don't have to do this again later. I've got these aftermarket sensors and I had pretty good luck with those recently. It feels like they're built pretty well and it's a fairly simple device, so there's not much in them to break. And the best part is they're a fraction of the cost of the original ones. If you're interested, I can drop the links for these sensors and for the tool that I used in this video down in the comments section below. Now, I personally like to first program the sensors into the TPMS ECU before mounting them onto the tires. It may not work with every single brand, but in some cases you will be able to do that. This process is fairly simple. We're just going to need to trigger every sensor one by one. Just make sure you spread them apart so you avoid the signal interference. Otherwise, you may get a duplicate sensor ID error message. The tire pressure reading will be close to 1 psi, which is obviously because the sensors are not installed in the tires yet. And that's fine. We're still going to be able to program sensors without any issues. Once we trigger all 4 sensors, we're going to connect the tool to OBD2 port and write them into the TPMS ECU. Once you get the message that programming was successful, you should be all set. Another way to confirm that the programming was successful is start the car and take a look at the TPMS light. When that light is blinking, that means the tire pressure sensors are dead and they're not communicating with the computer. If you've got a solid light, that just means that the tire pressure is too low. In our case, obviously the sensors are not installed, but they're still communicating that the tire pressure is not correct. Alright, so the solid light means you're good to go to the tire shop and have them installed by your mechanic. Programming sensors before installation will help you to save money in case you bought the sensors and they're dead, or if they're not compatible, or if there's any issue. You don't have to pay a shop to get them installed first, and then if something's wrong, you have to pay them again to remove the sensors, and then you have to return them, and it's just a big headache. And after I installed the sensors, the TPMS light on the dashboard disappeared. Alright folks, I hope the video was helpful, and if so, please give it a like. Thanks, have a nice day.